guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sort of having this low mood today, but it's like really beautiful sunny weather as usual here in LA, and I just wanted to play with some new makeup today to lighten up my mood a little bit and put in color on my face today and put in a nice bright top on. I feel a little bit better. So anyways, I did test out the Fenty Beauty. This is called the Eavesdrop Blur-In Skin Tint. So I've only tried the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint, and I know a lot of people raved about this product, but I personally don't like this at all. I feel like this one doesn't have any sort of coverage or anything like that. It just feels like water on the skin. If you have really perfect skin, this will be for you, but I have a lot of like blemishes and stuff on my skin, and you know, dark blemishes here and there. So this one, I have only used it today, and it's my first time using it today, but I am pretty surprised with the coverage that this skin tint gives. I really like it. So I'm just gonna read you guys what this is. So it is described as a lightweight, buildable, light to medium coverage skin tint that leaves skin looking blurred and smooth in flexible shades for all. So my color is the number 9. So this shade is medium with neutral undertones. I am sort of olivey, warm yellow sort of undertone, so neutral works for me. I was in between like a 9 and a 10, but I went for the 9 because I feel like I don't tan that often, so I think this is a perfect shade for me. I will definitely be taking this with me on my travels. I got my first COVID shot already. I'm still waiting for the second one. Once I'm fully vaccinated, I'm traveling by the end of May, and I will be taking this baby with me because I love the feel of this foundation. I really love how this is a squeeze tube bottle. I just think it's so slim and so slick. I really love the shape of this bottle. It's not like glass or anything, it's just plastic. This Pro Filter one, which I also really love from Fenty, it has a pump and everything, but this has a lot of weight to this. This one, it's like my full coverage sort of foundation, but this one, it feels like paper. So I can't wait to take this with me on my travels, but I really love the feel that this product gives, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the day, and I'll probably update you guys next time, but so far I'm loving this foundation. Decided to pick up the Kozak's concealer that a lot of people talk about, and the shade that I picked up, it's in number 04, in 04, which is like a warm yellow shade, I believe. So I used this to cover some of my blemishes today and to brighten up my under eye concealer, and it feels really comfortable on the skin. Compared to my Shape Tape, which I also really liked. A lot of people don't like Shape Tape, but I love this one better. It just gives me a lot of hydration and like a nice healthy looking glow on my skin, and when I use this, it just blends out really nicely, and I love the coverage that it gives. It's sort of like a light to medium coverage, I would say. It's not like really full coverage, but I really like the feel that both of these products gave me, and I am very happy that I had a chance to test these out today. If you guys haven't tried it yet, I would recommend it. I know there are some conflicting reviews on the Fenty Skin Tint, But so far, I really love how it makes my skin feel and look. It's just, I feel like I have nothing on my face right now, and that's like the best feeling in the world. So I love these two products. I would highly recommend it. So besides those products, I had a chance to play with Lilac a lot 9pan palette from Colourpop today, and this palette has been out for a while on Colourpop, and I know they're still releasing new makeup products left and right, and it's just kind of getting too redundant for me at this point. So besides the Limoncello palette, I don't think they have any interesting new releases, at least to my personal taste. So I am glad that I decided to purchase this palette. I'm not into colorful eyeshadows, as I have mentioned again and again on my channel, but I really do love purple eyeshadows. Maybe not this bright, but I am trying to venture into colorful eyeshadows in general. So I came up with a really simple eye makeup look today, something that I know that I would probably try to wear. I wouldn't mind going out like this with my eye makeup look today. So I did a very simple look. So let's go through the process of my eye makeup look. The first color that I decided to place down is called Fluff, and this is a gorgeous purple, like a very beautiful lavender purple. Like, I am obsessed with this purple. Super pigmented for less than $1 eyeshadow. Is just amazing. So I kept this look really simple. I went in with this shade to blend out this purple, and this one is called Imagine That, and this is like a light lavender purple. So this shade barely shows up on my skin, but it helped smooth out the harsh lines of this shade on my lid, so I just don't mind that it doesn't really show up on my skin at all. But this is a nice matte shade. And then for my inner tear duct, I went in with Cloud, and so I thought Cloud was like a shimmery glittery shade, but this is a very unique shade. This is like a blinding pearlescent purpley silver type of shade. I can't really describe the shade, but it has like gorgeous glitter specks in it. I absolutely love this for my inner tear duct. And finally, I went in with Iffy for my bottom lower lash line, and it just really helps tie in the look together. I love this vibrant purple. I believe this color looks really intimidating. It's like a Sharpie sort of purple color, but I love colors like this. I feel like it really helps brighten out my eye makeup look and sort of help complete my purple lavender eye makeup look in general. I love all of these shades. So Lilac a lot is a very popular 9pan palette from Colourpop. A lot of people rave about it. So I debated on whether to purchase this palette or not, and whether I would regret it or not. But I really love the very soft girly makeup that I have achieved today, and I'm not mad at it at all. Another thing I love about this palette is that this palette doesn't have any sort of that annoying pressed glitters that I passionately hate from Colourpop in this palette at all. So this is probably the better 9pan palettes that I have tested out, and I love the color scheme. It's very whimsical and very girly and angelic. But yeah, I really had fun playing with Lilac a lot. I will recommend it if you guys are into pink and pastel-y sort of colors. I would highly recommend it. It's very flattering on my eyes, I personally believe. Anyways, I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.